Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to apply support A-Creator program in Epic Games. Type Epic Affiliate in browser search bar. Click Epic Support A-Creator. Click Apply now. Click Apply now. Legal age acknowledgement. Select your channel. Type your channel name. Type your phone number. Type your language and region. Accept affiliate agreement. Accept code of conduct. Click submit to apply. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.